Okay, so we are in the kitchen. Very small kitchen, but this is Hong Kong. Now, we've got the dumpling. Beautiful, there it is. So, how do we cook a dumpling? Okay, first, we need some olive oil. Oh, by the way, of course, remember, if you're going to be working in the kitchen, can be dangerous, so make sure mum and dad are around, okay? So make sure they give you some help if you're going to try this at home. Olive oil. Put some in there. And you're going to just put your dumplings, or dumpling, in there and heat it up for a little bit. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and turn on. Turn on. Got to be careful with the fire, with the heat. Now, while that's just warming up, you're going to need to get some flour. And I've got some flour here. So, I need a spoon and I need a little bowl. A little bowl. Marvellous. So, you get a bit of flour, yeah? Just need a little bit, and pop that back, and a little bit of water into the flour. Beautiful. And then you're just going to mix that up a little bit, and you're going to be cooking in that. Look at that, beautiful. We just put that in. Lovely. Now, I need a lid to put on top. Lid. Ooh. Oh. And we're just going to leave that for a few minutes to just boil away. The water's boiling away. So we've got garlic, and we're going to get some, almost finished, a bit of soy sauce. Almost empty this one. Pop that in. And vinegar. Ooh, pop a bit of that in. And you can put other things in as well, maybe some spicy sauce or something like that. And oh, that's good though. There we go. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay. Now, our beautiful dumpling is cooking away, and we'll come back to that when it's ready.